Another amortization problem for you to review on. Here's the problem. I've got the payment calculated already. Borrowing $200,000 at 3% over 30 years. First step is, how much interest was paid in the first month? I know the screen is flickering. I don't know what's causing that. Sorry. So how much interest was paid in the first month on 300,000? Well, interest rate is 3%. I'm going to rewrite that as 0.03. How much was that per month? So if we take 0.03 divided by 12, I've got 0.0025. That's my monthly interest rate. So during the first month, I had $200,000 borrowed. If I take that times 0.0025, it gives me $500 even. So that's how much of my first payment went to interest. So how much of it went to principal? Well, if $500 of this amount went to interest, the remainder of that amount went to principal. So if I take $843.21 minus $500, the amount that went to principal, I'm going to do this in my head, $343.21. That's how much went to principal, so I can subtract that from my loan. So 200,000 minus 343.21 equals 199,656.79. So that is the new amount of my loan. Let's go to the second month. I made an $843 payment. How much of that went to interest? I need to have my monthly interest rate, but during the second month, that was the balance of my loan. So if I take 0.0025 times this number, I come up with 499.14. 0.025 times that number. How much of my money went to principal? Well, I made a payment for this. This amount went to interest. So the difference between those, 843.21 minus 499, tells me how much went to principal. So I get 344.07. This is being applied to principal. So I'm going to take this balance on my loan and subtract the amount that's going towards principal. And that gives me 199,312.72. Third payment. Make a payment for $843. How much goes to interest? I need to take 0.0025, my monthly interest rate, times the balance of my loan for this past month. So 199.2.72 times 0.0025 equals 498.28. How much went to principal? Take this amount minus 498.28. Gives me 344.93. And what's my new principal amount? I need to take the previous balance minus the amount that's going towards principal. And I get 198,967.79. That's how an amortization schedule works. Notice the amount that's going towards interest goes down every month because my balance is going down. The amount going towards principal is going up each month because less of the payment is going towards interest. That means more of this payment is going towards principal. Hope you got it.